Yo, what up everybody, it's me Johnny again, and we are shooting in a sunny day. Wow, look at the sunshine. I mean, I haven't put my UV on. A light just fell down. It's quite sunny and windy, but it's all good because we're not suffering from the cold winter anymore. Now Australian turn warm. So what are we having today? Easy, yeah. Good shoes. I did review on them, and you can check out the video in my channel. Something just lying on the floor. What's that inside? It's a pair of VANS. What's that? Is there anybody nearby? Is there anybody nearby? I'm not quite sure. Shall we take it home? Yes. Okay, take it on. Yeah. Right, can't wait to take it out. Have a review. So it is the typical VANS box off the wall. VANS icons all over. This is a shot. And yeah, okay. Right, have a look at that. Old school, there's the motto of the shoe type. In the name of the shoe, Space Voyager. Right, we're traveling to the space now, to a different planet. Let's just open it. Paper, there you go, there's the shoe. Old school, but with the NASA logo on it. That's right, that's a crossover. That's a collaboration, NASA. From the National Aeronautics and Space Administration in the US, I think. This has a flag on it and it's detachable. You can attach to it, just simple but nice. But how come it's upside down? No, it's not respectful. There you go, classic element. You can't get away from this of a VANS shoe. Premium leather, it's really soft. I think it's just leather. Okay, that's the shoe tone. For the benefits of all. I think the soil in Mars is similar to the soil on Earth, right? I'm not quite sure. I've never been there though. I've looked at it here on one of the grill of the also. It says EVB here. That's a code of where it's produced. When I was in high school, I bought a pair of VANS sample, but I'm not quite sure if that's authentic or fake one. And I have searched online. It said you need to have a look at this code so you can define it whether it's fake or not. The infill is just form, normal form, and the cutting edge is really rough. How did they do it like this? I know this is a part of the design, but please make it better. Make it look better at least. I'm not quite sure if it's just durable because you see it's detaching. But I wouldn't wear them for skateboarding, so I'm not worried about the quality. It's just for daily use. It's got a rocket inside, can you see it? That is the other one. It says mission here. I don't know what exactly we are in this universe. So we need some brave people, brave men, brave women, brave pioneers to discover outer space for us. Where? Does it look good with my trousers? I'm sort of missing my friends I met before. Glory days, unique memories. Now it's really hard to find some friends with mutual interest. not mutual benefit. And it's hard to find real friends. I'm not saying that the people I met as friends they're fake, but real friends are taking good care of each other, sharing compassion. Just different. The world changed, or the world never changed. It's just me. I'm grown up. I don't know.